Hello everyone, welcome back to this Excel Masterclass series. I'm Nima, and I help you master Excel the smart and simple way. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and frequently used groups of functions in Excel, SUM and its variations. Whether you're working on financial reports, sales data, or monthly budgets, mastering SUM, SUMIF, SUMIFS, and subtotal will save you hours of manual work. By the end of this video, you'll know how to sum numbers in different ways, apply single or multiple conditions, and even sum filtered data efficiently. So, let's get started. Section 1. Sum Basics. The sum function is probably the most basic and widely used function in Excel. The syntax is equals sum open parenthesis, number 1, comma, number 2, comma, ellipsis, close parenthesis. Let's look at a simple example. I have a list of monthly revenues in column B. If I want to calculate the total revenue, I simply type equals sum B2 to B13. When I press enter, Excel instantly gives me the total revenue for the year. A few things to keep in mind. You can sum individual cells separated by commas, like equals sum B2, B5, B8. Using a range like B2 to B13 is cleaner and easier to maintain. Sum ignores empty cells and text values automatically. Tip: always double-check your ranges, especially if your table will expand later. Using a dynamic named range can help here. Section 2. SUMIF. SUMIF allows you to sum numbers based on a single condition. The syntax is equals sum if range criteria sum range. Here's a real-world example. Imagine we have sales data for different products in column A and sales amounts in column B. If we want to calculate the total sales for product X only, we write equals sum if A 2:A 20, product X, B 2:B 20. Let's break it down. A 2:A 20. The range Excel checks the condition against product X, the condition we want to meet. B 2 to B 20, the actual values to sum press enter, and Excel gives you the total sales for product X. Common mistakes. Forgetting to add quotes for text criteria. Using different sized ranges for range and sum range, Excel will return an error. Section 3. SUMIFS. SUMIFS allows you to sum numbers based on multiple conditions. The syntax is equals SUMIFS, open parenthesis, sum range, comma criteria, range, 1 comma criteria, 1 comma, open bracket criteria, range, 2 comma criteria, 2, close bracket, comma, close parenthesis. Let's continue our example. Suppose we want total sales for product X in January only. We have dates in column C. The formula becomes tagged SUMIFS B2, B20, A2, A20, product X, C2, C20, 1/1/2025, C2, C20, 1/31/2025, values to sum A2 to A20, product X, first condition, product name, and C2 to C20, dash, JERS 1/1/2025, second condition, start date, C2 to C20, 1/31/2025, second condition, end date, press enter, and you get total sales for product X in January. Tip: SUMIFS can handle as many conditions as you like, and it's perfect for financial reports where you filter by product, region, month, or category. Section 4. Subtotal. Subtotal is a special function for summing data that works perfectly with filtered lists. The syntax is equals subtotal open parenthesis, function number comma reference, 1 comma open bracket reference, 2 close bracket comma ellipsis, close parenthesis, function number defines the calculation type. For summing, you can use 9 for sum or 109 for sum, ignoring hidden rows. Example: we have a table of sales with different regions. We filter the table to show only Region A. Now, in a separate cell, type equals subtotal 9B2 to B20. Excel sums only the visible cells after the filter is applied. This is very useful for monthly reports, dashboards, or any situation where you frequently filter your data. Tip: unlike sum, subtotal can dynamically update when you filter rows, making your totals always accurate. Section 5. Tips and Best Practices. Combine SUMIF or SUMIFs with named ranges to make formulas easier to read. You can also combine SUMIFs with iFerrer to handle missing data gracefully. For dynamic reporting, SUMIFs plus date functions like EOMonth or Today can automatically calculate monthly or yearly totals. For very large data sets, subtotal plus filters can replace manual copying and pasting. And that's your complete guide to sum, SUMIF, SUMIFs, and subtotal in Excel. Practice these formulas with your own data, because mastering them will save you hours and make your financial analysis accurate and efficient. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends. And remember, little steps, big progress.